Let's check out this pickup here at Unique, especially in classics. Popular body style too, 1949 Ford F1. 302 under the hood now. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front chrome, the grille, bumper, hood. Great looking front end on these trucks. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the engine bay, the underside, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Black vinyl interior bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. Tilt column, little aftermarket set of gauges under the dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a rubber mat in the bed of the truck, and underneath the mat is where the fuel fill is right here. See if I can pull it up and show you quick. Right there. So basically, steel bottom to the bed, gas fill underneath the rubber mat. Take a look at the rear chrome, dual exhaust. Paint does show its age a little bit. A few imperfections here and there, but overall nice looking, kind of a green gray, I guess, if you will, as far as color wise. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we'll be able to see probably close to 100 pictures of this truck online. Chrome wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. This vinyl doesn't really show much for any wear. Rips, tears, holes. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I did have the wipers working. They work fine. Of course, turn key on this side. We have a push button over here. See how easily that starts? It's a little cold-blooded. We're going to let it warm up just a little bit. Check out the rest of the dash and interior. There's the aftermarket gauges. That was a cold start, as you can see, which is your voltmeter and then oil pressure. Like I said, a little bit cold-blooded. We're going to let it warm up. The light will a little stronger when it warms up. Give me just a second here. About there. All right, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice exhaust note, a little throaty 302 sound. All right, let me slip up to the front here. It's going to take two hands to get this hood open. Of course, the hood latch on these is pulling this right here. So give me a second. I'm going to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay and wrap up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Open, as you can see, aluminum radiator. There's the 302, power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock carb, door barrel on there. There is a battery disconnect back here, if you see that. Sounds good. Just got to let her warm up a little bit. 1949 Ford F1. Here at Unique, especially in classics. You can see it on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.